This is a maths video on using column addition to solve problems. We are looking at no renaming today. So this means my numbers, my ones numbers, are not going to go above 10. I'm going to start by using my tens and my ones. We call these base 10. You can use an app called Number Pieces if you haven't got these at home. It's really useful. I'm going to start by labelling my columns. So I have tens and ones. I'm then going to put 23 in. So I've got 2 tens, 3 ones. And with my base 10, it can look like this. 2 tens and 3 ones. I want to remember my addition sign, and now I'm going to add 42. That's 4 tens and 2 ones. There's my 4 tens and my 2 ones, and I'm going to remember my equal sign. When we're following column method, we always want to add the ones first. This will help us if we're using renaming as well. 3, add 2, so I can see I've got 3, 4, 5. So I can use my base 10 to help me count on. Now I've got 2 tens, 10, 20, add 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So I can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knowing that that means 6 tens, which is the same as 60. So I get my answer of 65.